Hi everyone, we continue to do our balancing exercise, working on our postural assessment, postural correction. This time we're going to continue work on our hips and SI joint. This is the great exercise. I think everyone can do that one. If you are like chronic lower back pain, if you feel you fragile, do with a coach or trainer, get some professionals. Don't do this on your own. So if you're cool, if you have like I don't know, like two bulge disc, some chronic, not the chronic lower back pain, that should be fine. No, I'm just kidding. Always do with the professionals. So we need band, very heavy one. I took, this one is 50 pounds. We need to block. And our first test exercise, it's called cat and cow. So not sometimes, most of the time we get that ilium unbalance, one of them like tilted. Also we have a lumbar area, any spine rotation, any side bending of the spine. So this is the simple test. This is called cat and cow. You get in your quadrupetal position, your neutral head, your neutral legs, and try to lean a little bit forward. So forward and backward. And feel if anything, when you shift it forward and backward without changing your spine, it's feel differently. I do. When I'm right about here, I feel that right hip, something happened to my right hip, is not working well. So next one, you're going to start do this cat and cow. So all you do, you drop your belly down, try to get your head up. And when you feel that stiffness, and I do feel that stiffness in my lumbar area, which is fine, round like a cat, feel a little pull sensation there. This is also great exercise, but we're going to upgrade it now. Get the band, get that band, and apply on the same level of your hips. So if I'm right here, what about there? Right about there. And I want to really challenging my hip because I'm going to work on my hip now. So adjust the band, check the band, no rips, pull. What you're going to do, you're going to get this inside and go around that bikini line. So you see that right in here, almost all the way up to my hip. So what I'm doing now, I step forward and try to get that tension right on that hip. And all I do is shift it back, shift it forward. I don't do any crazy movements, just slightly one. Couple more. Okay, next one is still decompressing, so it's pulling me, pull that hip back. This is the great exercise. I'm start shifting to my right side and start doing only with my left. Move that knee up and down towards my arm, towards the upper side. So I see I try to do cross, straight away. Do 15 times. 5 times here, 5 times here. Let it go. Wow. Here, do not change anything. Take a block and get this under your knee. Now you're standing differently. That hip is pushing up. If it's create pain, stop and switch sides. You might pushing to the wrong side. For me, it's feel great. I feel that something starts shifting, tilted, and I feel that, like, you know, that sensation when you feel it's kind of something gonna pop. Maybe don't go there because you don't know what kind of pop is going to be. Just breathe up here. Now start, lift that heel up and down. Slightly movements, just a tiny bit. Idea is rotate that hip. Switch. So I'm switching the brick. See how you're going to feel on that side, and you're going to feel big different, trust me. Stay here. Now raise, and look at that, how easy coming on that way. And of course, switch side. Also, you can work on your hip flexors in this position. All you need to do, just lower that band on your knee. So you see, I could get that pressure away. So now I can easily maneuvering with this band and get in tension again. And here, you do the same thing. You're gonna work on that external oblique, internal oblique, and also get that hip flexors. Great exercise. If you want to do both, great idea too. Why not? You're going to feel that difference between left and right. So put it up here. Be careful. Don't put too much pressure. If this band is slap you, it's going to slap you well. But that's fine. It's just your butt. It's actually maybe reactivated. So you from here, yes, you can do the same thing. Shift it forward and backward. Get that hip. Feel that where's that band is pulling harder, left or right. Shift it back and forth. And here we go. I do feel that. When I come about right in here, I feel that in my spine. So I'm stay here, breathe. Till tension is go away. And it's a lot of variation. From here, you can do your half kneeling, you can do your rotation, you can do your spine, but this is the basic one. It's great for, like I said, if you don't experience like serious medical condition, this is great exercise, okay? You guys have a wonderful day.